How do I get my curls to hold and how do I curl my hair? That is my most requested video, so let's get into it. If your hair does not hold curl well, then Style On Steroids. This is what you need. It also has a heat protectant in there, so it's like an all-in-one type deal. Okay, we're gonna section off our hair, and I like to do really small sections because the more sections that you have, the more curls you're gonna have, creating a fuller effect. So section by section, we're gonna spray our hair with the Color Wow. And like I said, that has a heat protectant in there. Get your curling iron. Everything is gonna be done at the root, guys. So we're gonna start at the root, come down a little bit, twist back up to the root. Release a little bit, come down, twist back up to the root. See how far that's lifted? Another thing I love about using the Style On Steroids is when I use this, there's no need for hairspray. This holds the curl so well that there's no need for me to put a hairspray on my hair and have that dry, crunchy feeling on my curls. They're just soft and bouncy and last all day. Please don't sell this out. One per customer. Color Wow, can we make that a rule? Okay, so this is the finished product, and then at the end, I go back in with the Style On Steroids and just kind of fluff it out, give it that extra oomph. No hairspray needed, just Style On Steroids. I'm telling y'all.